ये सब नॉन प्रोफेशनल सिंगर्स हैं जितने भी ग्रुप में हैं, लेकिन देखिए आप कितना दिल से गा रहे हैं। चिराग एंड दीप, they are the youngest singers singing the songs of 60s 70s के गाने ये लोग गा रहे हैं।
As we are running short of time, I would like to say that the next singer, please be ready over here. You can come forward and sit, occupy the chair over here.
Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. In 1952, they made a movie called Jal, which had Devanand.
Please maintain silence so that you can enjoy.
Devanand, Geeta Bali, Kian Singh, Johnny Walker. With an actress called Purnima, who later on went on to become Mapure Mother Souls. Music was by S.D. Burman. It was a black and white movie. The director was Guru Dutt. Guru Dutt directed Devanand. In the previous black and white movies, they did not use this style. In Jal, they used a style called Noir Classic. That means in the black and white, they used dark shades of grey to show the protagonist as an antagonist. It was the first time that the hero projected an anti-hero role. That was Devanand, the con man. Anybody can tell what was the name of Devanand in that movie? Tony. Geeta Bali was Maria. The song was sung by Hemanta Kumar. Music was composed by Prince Sachin Dev. Sachin Dev. Ye Raat, Ye Chandani, Phek. Lot of usage of guitar and excellent use of percussion. So, sit back, relax, enjoy. सुन जा
Thank you, Mohan sir. Very well rendered. Thank you so much. Next.